Today's side rides will be exploring the Whittier Greenway Bike Path, which replaced a 4.5-mile abandoned railroad right-of-way. We will be entering from the adjacent San Gabriel River Bikeway, which runs from Seal Beach to Azusa and is just west of Whittier. It is a very short ride through a quiet neighborhood to the trailhead off Pioneer Boulevard. Soon we are on our first bridge crossing over a local street, reminding us that this was once a Union Pacific Railroad route. The local neighborhood is no longer bothered with noisy train traffic, but instead enjoys a peaceful greenbelt. If you choose to drive to Whittier for your ride, you should consider parking at Palm Park, where you'll find clean restrooms, picnic grounds, and direct access to the bike path. When you get to Whittier High School, you will be just west of a nice business district with good restaurants located between Whittier College and the high school. You may want to wander a bit and check it out. Just south of the dog park, look for Ray's Little Kitchen on Penn Street. It is a favorite of many locals to hang out, get good service, and even better food. Or check out some of the neighboring shops. This bridge over Whittier Boulevard is really cool. Another good place to eat is at Tam's Super Burgers, located on Lambert Road next to Laurel Elementary School. You will be able to smell your way there. The trail has lighting fixtures and art displays along the way. The bike path has recently been extended to Beach Boulevard and will soon connect all the way to Yorba Linda and beyond. What a community improvement. Side Rides hopes to see you there.